Amazon best-selling car guys detailing Super Cleaner, effective interior car cleaner. The product buying link in this video description. The hype is real. Are you tired of using cleaners that work but are not as good as you expected? You won't experience that here. Our newly formulated multi-surface cleaner is made with the newest advancements in nanotechnology to effectively lift away dirt and grime at the molecular level. No more wasting time and energy with nonsense products made with old science and technology. Replace your cabinet of chemicals. Do you get confused by all the different types of cleaning supplies that are available? It gets frustrating fast. Just cleaning your vehicle requires some special deep stain remover, a chemical solvent to get rid of bugs and tar, a separate floor mat and inner dash cleaner. And the list goes on and on. Keep it simple with one multi-purpose product, Car Guys Super Cleaner. The king of all cleaners. Super clean any surface. This multi-surface product works on absolutely every interior or exterior surface except glass and delicate instrument panel screens. That means this one product will clean upholstery, fabric, canvas, leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, bird poop, grease, tree sap, metals, wood trim and so much more. This is the most versatile multi-purpose cleaner on the market. Why choose Car Guys? We care about quality. Our products are made with the latest advancements in science, using the best equipment available. This helps us make consistently high-quality products that always work great. Every formula we make is mixed and bottled in the USA by hard-working Americans.